Hi guys, कैसे हैं आप लोग? So a lot of people DM'd us, a lot of people commented on the videos and they wanted to know कि The रणवीर शो के BTS की कहानी क्या है, कैसे स्टार्ट हुई थी and all of this. The reason why I'm doing this video is because we are inviting applications for our Platinum Podcasting 101 course. इस कोर्स में just because you have money, you cannot be a part of it. So I'm very clear when I'm saying we are inviting applications. Our able team will scan through the applications. We have some criteria. We will go through those criteria. And if you fit in that cut, then you will be invited to join the Platinum course. Right now we are doing one in January and then it will happen in every couple of months. So I'm going to give you a glimpse of what happens in a podcasting course and what happens in behind the scene of podcast, and we will learn through it. एक पॉडकास्ट के पीछे मिनी पॉडकास्ट करते हैं. Come, I'll make you meet somebody who was there. He's a fossil at Beer Biceps. So Rajas, how are you doing, man?
Good.
Yeah. 21st June 2019. I think was our first official podcast which Ranveer shot with Viraj. What memories do you have from that day? 21st June 2019, Prabha Devi office. What memories do you have?
We'll come to that, but that was not the first podcast, you know. So
Okay.
uske pehle there was a series which we called as Inspiring Interviews in Ranveer's dining room itself.
Oh,
so that was the
the
inception.
Wadala house.
Yeah. That was the inception of the whole podcasting idea as a whole. कि ठीक है, we're now doing fitness videos, we are doing fashion videos वगैरह. But there has to be something like, you know, that holds all this together, which is a conversation. So वो conversation का idea started from the dining room itself, which was the very first podcast. Then उसके बाद we came to Delhi, we stayed at your place.
Yeah.
You know, recorded with like Jeet Salal, Carrie Minati, Sejal Kumar,
Yeah.
a lot of other people in Delhi as well.
Yeah.
And that is how that dining room wala episode,
Correct.
You know, became थोड़ा high production की. अच्छा,
Yeah.
बीच में B-roll डालेंगे,
Yeah.
and then, you know, talking and all that.
Yeah. What does one need to start a podcast?
So this is what, you know, if anyone comes up to me in something that we call as a platinum session at Podcasting 101 course on Skill House, everyone just comes up after the session and says कि okay, but where do we start? Like, you know, do we invest in this camera, that camera? इतना budget है, कौन सा camera ले? Our simple answer is कि don't buy a camera right now. You have a phone, it's 2024, every single phone that you buy, about like 40,000, 50,000, it's capable enough to record a video, it's capable enough to capture sound. That is all you need in a podcast, honestly.
Yeah.
As much as you need a good like video like from your phone or camera, sound भी आपका इतना important होता है, because if it's like garbage sound quality, no one will be able to keep up with the conversation itself. देख के तो समझ में नहीं आएगा क्या बात हो रही है.
Correct.
तो get a good quality mic. It can be as basic as like a lav mic which connects to your phone, and that is good enough to start with. But make sure that you're recording in like a, you know, nice clean atmosphere where, you know, sound won't bounce off the walls वगैरह, echo ना हो. All these, you know, learnings that we've covered in like 7-8 years, whatever it's been since the first podcast went out, we've covered everything in Platinum as well.
Before the guest arrives, right? I mean, you have ensured that as we discussed from 2019 to now, you know, we started from our very humble setup. पहला शूट तो गादी पे बैठ के किया था, right? From there to now, where we have a very beautiful looking studio which you guys have designed yourself. So I want you guys to give you a little glimpse कि what are the things that people should know and how have you created SOP now?
The moment the guest arrives, it's not like we start a prep at that same moment. उसके पहले Omkar has a full like detailed list of things that he needs to ensure. Like from as something as basic as कि रणवीर ने कौन से कलर के कपड़े पहने, गेस्ट ने क्या कपड़े पहने, so that, you know, background elements don't clash. Like we purposely kept this, you know, all white so that, you know, any color, any pattern is like suitable on this.
Let's say if guests from film industry, guests from music industry, and when they come and they say नहीं ये lighting, and when you say according to their feedback आपको लगता है कि नहीं अभी ये lighting को थोड़ा change करना पड़ेगा, या fast में कैसे करते हो, मतलब फटाफट कैसे करते हो? गेस्ट यहाँ पे है, अभी स्टार्ट करना है, there is clock ticking, मतलब उन्होंने बोला है कि 2 ही घंटे आपके पास, you know, because उनको दूसरा भी इंटरव्यू करना है या पॉडकास्ट करना है वगैरह वगैरह. How do you do it?
If Bollywood comes in, we have 2 lights on standby. If they say if this is not working for you, you can just plug in and we can just show you this is the other way we can shoot.
We have lightings on standby. मतलब ये हमने सोचा भी नहीं था कि ऐसा होगा, right? तो लेकिन for people who are starting right now, right? अब वो तो इतना सारा मतलब एक्सपेंडिचर नहीं कर सकते, या इतना सारा जब स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं तो इतना करना भी नहीं चाहिए, मैं खुद अलाउ नहीं करूंगा, मतलब फॉर पीपल हु आर स्टार्टिंग. सो आई एम श्योर यू गाइज हैव डिजाइंड दिस SOP कि व्हेन यू हैव ओनली सो मच इक्विपमेंट क्या करना है, ओनली सो मच इक्विपमेंट क्या करना है, एंड व्हेन यू हैव एलैबोरेट इक्विपमेंट क्या करना है, एंड वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न ऑल ऑफ इट along with our Platinum Podcasting 101 course, right? So yeah, you were saying something.
So in that, especially we have a detailed like live session for you guys, where we'll have a live demonstration of the kinds of setup that you can use as well.
Right.
If you have like 7 cameras as we do on TRS now, that is also a possibility to show you guys a live demo of that. If you have 3 cameras, which is a ideal setup for a new podcast, we have a live demo of that as well.
Yeah.
If you have no cameras at all, अगर
2
आपके पास-
iPhone.
हाँ 2
2
iPhone
iPhone में भी, yeah.
एक iPhone भी है, एक phone भी है,
correct.
तो उसका भी लाइव डेमो आपको दे सकते हैं इन प्लैटिनम सेशंस.
Right.
बट अलॉन्ग विद दैट मतलब वही था अर्लियर एज यू आस्क्ड कि
Yeah.
फटाफट कैसे करते हैं.
Correct.
सो दैट ओनली कम्स विद प्रैक्टिस, दैट ओनली कम्स विद डेलीगेशन. सो दैट इज ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. देयर इज नो सीक्रेट सॉस फॉर दैट एट ऑल.
And as Raja said, everything has been put in SOP, Standard Operating Procedure, which will be shared with you in Platinum 101 course. So friends, I hope आपको इस वीडियो का पूरा कंटेंट अच्छा लगा होगा. We have tried to cover everything as possible. Rajas, who's been an ace, he's been with Beer Biceps since day 1, जो कि मैंने आपको बताया. Omkar, who has been man behind camera, lighting and many more things that you have seen on each episode of TRS, whether it is in Hindi or in English. This was a great wrap. And I hope आप लोगों ने बहुत सारे points note किए होंगे. We will deep dive much more when it comes to podcast platinum event that is done by Beer Biceps Skill House. और अगले वीडियो में, ये जो वीडियो है ये आपका part 1 था. Part 2 में you will be learning about many more things. For example, outreach कैसे करते हैं, logistics कैसे plan करते हैं, how do you go about post production, how do you go about editing, how do you go about planning the post of the podcast, managing social media around it, and many more. So like you met experts of their field in this video, in next video you will be meeting many more experts who are in force when it comes to behind the scenes behind TRS. So looking forward to seeing you all in the next video. All the best.